Hi guys, it is Sparky from Sparky and Zack Attack, and Zack Attack's not here, but I am, and I heard about this game called Mighty Guy, and I thought that I would play it, and it's right here. Okay, it says click to start, and it looks like we're doing some math homework. Wait, are those right answers? I don't know where he got that number. Oh well, I don't care. Okay, click to start. Alright, here we go. Just like job 4. Mighty Guy. Alright. Oh yeah, you can duck. Oh, but you can't move? Oh yeah, you can't. Oops. Hey, I can flip. Oh, there's mice. Get away from me, you stupid idiots. Oh. Alright, trash can. Please don't tell me that this is like a parkour game. Oh. Okay, how old is this game? I've read all of those books. Okay. Wait for the truck to move. You people are littering. You people are stupid. Don't litter. Don't litter on the street. Traffic jam. Is it from all the bottles that are broken? Because of broken bottles? Oh jeez. Okay, now I have to get on this stupid thing. Okay. Alright, moving along. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! To be continued, that's it. One Mighty Guy.